Understanding the immune system and strategies to boost your immunity. How does the immune system work? Step 1. Recognition. The immune system recognizes and identifies pathogens or foreign substances through specialized cells called antigen-presenting cells (APCs). These cells engulf the pathogens and break them down into smaller fragments. Step 2. Antigen presentation. APCs then display these fragments, known as antigens, on their surface. This process activates other immune cells, specifically T cells, which play a crucial role in coordinating the immune response. Step 3. Activation of immune cells. The antigens displayed on the surface of APCs bind to specific receptors on T cells, triggering their activation. This activation leads to the production of different types of T cells, such as helper T cells and cytotoxic T cells. Step 4. Helper T cells. Helper T cells release chemical signals called cytokines that assist in coordinating the immune response. They stimulate other immune cells, such as B cells and cytotoxic T cells, to multiply and carry out their specific functions. Step 5. B cells and antibodies. B cells are responsible for producing antibodies, which are proteins that can recognize and bind to specific antigens on pathogens. Antibodies help neutralize pathogens by preventing them from infecting healthy cells and by marking them for destruction by other immune cells. Step 6. Cytotoxic T cells. Cytotoxic T cells directly attack and destroy infected cells or abnormal cells in the body. They recognize specific antigens on the surface of infected or abnormal cells and release toxic substances that induce cell death. Step 7. Memory cells. Following an immune response, some T and B cells develop into memory cells. These cells remember the specific antigens they encountered, allowing for a faster and more efficient response if the same pathogen enters the body again. Step 8. Regulation. The immune system also has regulatory mechanisms to prevent excessive immune responses or attacks against the body's own cells. Regulatory T cells help maintain tolerance by suppressing immune reactions against self-antigens and preventing autoimmune diseases. Step 9. Resolution. Once the pathogen has been eliminated, the immune response gradually subsides. Some immune cells undergo programmed cell death, while others return to a resting state.